many ways can I say it, man? Damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitations. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I'll be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and this time I'll be paving my own lane, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toast to never going broke, that's a fact.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is SkyLyfe Projects. Today is a Sunday. Hope everybody's doing good and staying blessed. If you guys, before we start this video, if you guys could please like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. Also, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. And today, we got a special video because today, I'm going to be going on to my PC. We're going to look at some new wheels for the Type R, some new tires, some new lowering springs, a front mount intercooler, and I'm going to take you guys along on that journey with me. So you're going to see everything from the whole ordering process to what I decided to go with, the reason why I decided to go with that product, and yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Much love and blessing, guys. Be back with you guys in just a moment. Alright guys, so we're here at my PC battle station, and what I'm going to show you are the wheels I'm going with for my 2021 Type R, the tires I'm going with, the lowering springs I'm going with, the front mount intercooler upgrade full kit that I will be going with, and also a bonus, the PRL turbocharger inlet pipe kit. So we're gonna go over all that right now, and I'm gonna show you the process and everything like that, and I will order these products up. So bear with me a sec. Let's turn the monitor on, and as you can see, we have the first one up, which is the PRL intercooler charge pipe upgrade kit. If I go with the PRL intercooler, I will be obviously adding this kit to it. And as you can see, it is $299.99. So here's what the intercooler looks like. Right there. There's a whole description here. Basically what matters though is the power rating is up to 550 horsepower. The core size is 26 by 5 by 3.5 by 7. It is a bar and plate design, and yeah, it definitely is a big intercooler for the Type R. So I would either go with this one or click on a different screen here, the HKS intercooler kit with piping, and the piping looks like this. So for $836, you get this core, and that size, you guys, let me pull up close here, is 695 by 178 by 100 versus the stock core size. This is in millimeters, okay? 680 143 by 64. Okay, so that is a major major upgrade difference. I mean, you're talking 695 178 by 100 versus 680 143 64. So obviously the dimensions are bigger, the dimensions are thicker, there's going to be more optimal airflow, everything like that. It's just a whole better layout. It states for HKS, even with the stock boost levels of the Honda Civic Type R, HKS testing shows engine air intake temperature quickly rises over 90 degrees Celsius based on years of data gathered during research and development. HKS was able to come up with a solution that matches the requirements of the Civic Type R. It also states a carefully selected intercooler core size with optimized piping design combines air cooling efficiency and increased volume at the highest level. So you guys, this is probably a very good option to go with. So that's that. Let's pull up now the wheels that I will be going with. As you can see, it's saved. What do you guys think? The Titan 7 TR10 fully forged 10-spoke wheel for the Civic Type R. The configuration will be 18 by 9.5, 5 by 120 bolt pattern with a 45 offset. And it's going to be obviously in machine black. Not a big fan of the bronze or the titanium look. So with all that being said, I will have the center caps ordered as well. The valve stems are already included. And then, you know, I will get my lug nuts and everything. Not sure which lug nuts I'm going with, but obviously that may be for another video. So I'm looking at these. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. This is really a good looking wheel. It is super light, and it states Titan 7 R10 is a fully forged wheel designed completely with performance in mind. Pressurized with 10,000 tons of industry-leading pressure to give you a wheel that is incredibly strong while also giving you all your performance attributes you need in a track-focused wheel. Upon close inspection, you will notice strength adding ridge tracers, which have been strategically placed to give the wheel rigidity while keeping weight to a bare minimum. So therefore, this is honestly a great wheel, especially for the price, you guys. $2,080 per set. Where can you find a forged wheel configuration for that price? Yeah, please let me know in the comments if you find it better price. But anyways, so we got that. Next one up is the PRL Motorsports Honda Civic Type R Titanium Turbocharger Inlet Pipe Kit. Well, you guys, I already have the PRL HVI intake set up, the high volume intake, right? So therefore, we can finish it in a raw finish, which just looks like that. Or for 50 bucks more, we can do a burnt finish, titanium burnt finish, which they add to your order for 50 bucks more, and it looks like that. Obviously, for 50 bucks, that is a great solution. It is on back order, however, and the price is 550 bucks. So US dollars, right? Yeah. So we got the PRL intake, we got the turbocharger inlet pipe, we have the TR10 Titan 7 forged wheels. Now I want to show you guys these springs. Give me a sec here. And it looks like, where is it? Let me put Type R in here real quick. Hold on, guys. Type R. All right. So Import Image Racing has it for $315. High performance handling and aggressive good looks, low center of gravity, stop quicker, corner faster, get better miles per gallon, progressive spring design for excellent ride quality, million-mile warranty. It'll lower 1 inch in the front and 1 inch in the rear. Now, why do I want this spring configuration compared to others? Well, that's because we gotta show the tires, right? You gotta have tires with your new 18s. So if I'm doing a whole different tire setup, let's shop by vehicle. We're at tire rack, by the way. Okay, 21 type R. It's already loaded. View results. And we want to go over here, you guys, to custom tire size. And then 265, 35, 18 for the front, 265, 35, 18 for the rear. We're going to view custom size results. Now, I was obviously gonna go back with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, and that has a 300 tread wear rating, and they're at $256.99 per tire. But then I started scrolling down, started asking people on the forums, like the Facebook groups and everything, and look, you guys, Advent Apex V601, $185.99 per tire compared to the $256.99. It does have, however, a 280 tread wear rating, which is a little bit less. But look at the price difference for four, $743.96 versus the $1,027.96. Now you tell me. Zooming in on the tire here, there's the Advent Apex V601, and then here, let me get a zoom, right there is the Pilot Sport 4S's. There we go. They look identical, yo. The sidewalls look identical. The tread looks like an identical pattern. You tell me. Yeah, so that's what I was thinking of doing, the Advent Apex V601 with those dope Titan 7 TR10 wheels. They're fully forged. I think it's going to be a glorious setup. It's really going to look good. It's going to give the Type R a dramatic effect on appearance, on ride quality, and handling because of those springs. So I don't know. You guys let me know on the intercooler, PRL, or the HKS. I already do have the HVI, PRL HVI high volume intake. So I don't know if I should stick with the PRL intercooler and go with the charge pipe kit, which is also right here. Shows you a full setup right here. That's what it'll look like. And then there's the finished part. So there we go. This is different than the HKS, you guys. You let me know what you guys think in the comments. And much love and blessings. Hope everybody is staying good, staying blessed, staying safe, and always stay positive. Keep moving forward. This is SkyLyfe Projects. Please like, please subscribe to my channel, as it really helps out my channel. I love you guys all, and until next time, stay tuned. We got a lot more content on the way. SkyLyfe Projects, we out.
Hold up, drink down, red carpet rolled out. Royalties in my team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win, posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches.